On this video, we're going to talk about perfect square trinomials. And before we do that, let's kind of review. Let's say you have quantity a plus b times the quantity a plus b. When you multiply this, you will get a squared plus ab plus ab plus b squared, which is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So notice these two are the same thing. That means when you factor a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, you will get quantity a plus b times a plus b, which is the same thing as quantity a plus b squared. What if you have quantity a minus b times quantity a minus b? When you multiply this out, you'll get a squared minus ab minus ab plus b squared. So you'll get a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So if you factor a squared minus 2ab, you will get quantity a minus b times quantity a minus b, which is quantity a minus b squared. So this is a key concept to understand when we do trinomial perfect square. Let's take a look at 49x squared minus 42x plus 9. Does it look like a squared minus 2ab plus b squared? Let's check. Is the first term a perfect square? Meaning that, is there something that you square, you get 49x squared? Yeah, there is. If you square quantity 7x squared, you will get 49x squared. What about positive 9? Well, quantity 3 squared is 9. So we could say that our a is 7x and our b is 3. Now, you got to make sure that it comes out to be negative 2ab. Is negative 42x equals to negative 2 times a, which is 7x, and b, which is 3. If it is, then this is a perfect square of a trinomial. Do we get negative 42? Yes, we do. So we could say that this is the same thing as, remember, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is the same thing as a minus b quantity square. So what was our a? 7x. What was our b? 3. So it's 7x minus quantity 7x minus 3 squared. Let's take a look at another example. We got 100x squared plus 60x plus 9. Well, the first term is a perfect square. The last term is a perfect square. So let's see if, now this one looks like a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So let's see if this is a perfect square of a trinomial. What is the square root of 100x squared? That's 10x. So that could be our a. What about square root of 9? That's 3. Now the important thing is, does that, when you have 2ab, that has to equal to 60x. Let's check. 2, what is our a? 10x. What's our b? 3. So when you multiply, what do you get? We get 60x. So this is a perfect square. So remember, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is the same thing as quantity a plus b squared. So now let's substitute. What is our a? 10x. What's our b? 3. So it's 10x plus 3 quantity squared. That is the answer. Let's take a look at our last example. We got 64x squared plus 72x plus 81. Well, this looks like a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. 64x squared is a perfect square, and the square root of that is 8x. That is our potential A. What about B? Well, square root of 81 is 9. Now, we have to check whether 2ab is going to equal to 72x. So 2 times 8x, b, 9. Notice, it is not equal to 72x. So this is not a perfect square trinomial. So we cannot factor this using a squared plus 2ab plus b squared.